Our correspondent Akshay Dongre joins us to get us more on this. Akshay, we've given a detailed report with regard to the latest development, but how do we understand it? Help us understand the significance of this development, and also how do we expect the days ahead to pan out?
Well, it's going to be a complicated trial, Preeti, especially given the fact that even the Department of Justice of the U.S. Government refuses to give out the names of the people who have been involved in pedophilia, in child trafficking, in even rapes and possibly murders of children there on the Epstein Island, as the files have suggested so far. But the situation remains complicated also because Jeffrey Epstein is dead. Ghislaine Maxwell has invoked her Fifth Amendment rights to stay silent and not self-incriminate or give or speak anything about the Epstein files and the people who were involved in it. But also because the names are already there with the Department of Justice as far as the people who are involved in these scandals are concerned. They have their mails. However, how strong of an evidence will mails be considered in a court of law? That is a big question. However, there are names, there are travel records and other kind of information that the Department of Justice refused to work on at a level that was desired initially. So the complications obviously remain there in the sort of trial that's going on. But with the biggest person involved and the biggest proof being Ghislaine Maxwell herself, she is refusing to speak on anything regarding Epstein file unless she is granted clemency on this. Is clearly blackmailing the justice system. Also, there isn't enough pressure from the government or from the people's side as well for the government to act, because if the Department of Justice, the FBI, they already have the names. Why the names are being redacted, even in the cases where murders are being mentioned in these files. So it remains, people will have to, talk to their representative, question their representatives that what are they doing as far as such a large-scale scandal that has tarnished not only the reputation of the people involved, but the entire country.
All right, Akshay, we'll leave it here. Thank you so much for joining in with those details.